As we grow older, bone and muscle health become more important than ever. But what if the answer isn't in pills or protein powders, but in seeds? In this video, we'll explore powerful seeds that support bone strength, muscle repair, and joint health. They're tiny, affordable, and surprisingly effective, and I'll show you exactly how to use them. Let's start with the basics. After age 30, we begin to lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. Bone density also decreases, especially in women after menopause. This can lead to joint pain, weakness, and a higher risk of falls and fractures. Poor diet, inflammation, and low levels of minerals like calcium and magnesium play a big role. But certain seeds are packed with the exact nutrients your bones and muscles need, and forms your body can easily absorb. First up, chia seeds. They're rich in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and plant-based omega-3 south, all essential for bone strength and joint flexibility. Chia seeds also reduce inflammation and support muscle repair. Try soaking a tablespoon overnight in water, then mix into oatmeal, smoothies, or yogurt. Next, flax seeds. These are especially helpful for adults managing hormone-related bone loss. They're rich in omega-3 fats and lignans, which help balance hormones and protect bone tissue. Always use them ground, and add 1 to 2 tablespoons to smoothies, salads, or soups. Then there's sesame seeds, a calcium powerhouse. They also contain zinc and copper, which help your body build and repair bone and joint tissue. Roast and sprinkle them on rice, stir fry, or blend into tahini. Now let's talk about pumpkin seeds, also known as peppatus. They're loaded with magnesium, zinc, and iron, nutrients that support muscle strength, reduce cramps, and improve recovery. Eat them raw or roasted as a snack or salad topping. 2 more bonus seeds worth adding: sunflower seeds and hemp hearts. Sunflower seeds give you vitamin E and selenium, which fight joint inflammation. Hemp hearts are a complete protein source with healthy fats and minerals that support muscle building and bone health. Sprinkle them into protein shakes, grain bowls, or yogurt. So how do you combine all of these into a simple daily habit? Here's a super seed mix recipe you can prep once and use all week. To TBSP chia seeds, to TBSP ground flax seeds, 1 TBSP sesame seeds, to TBSP pumpkin seeds, 1 TBSP hemp hearts, 1 TBSP sunflower seeds. Mix and store in a jar. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons daily in smoothies, on cereal, or even stirred into soups or stews. Let's run through a quick sample 3-day meal plan to show how easy it is. Day 1. Chia overnight oats for breakfast, tahini veggie wrap for lunch, roasted pumpkin seeds. As a snack, seed mix stirred into soup at dinner. Day 2. Smoothie with flax and hemp rice bowl with sesame and sunflower seed mix bar. For an afternoon bite. Day 3. Yogurt parfait with super seed mix lentil soup topped with pumpkin and flax. Chia pudding before bed. These small changes can lead to big improvements in bone strength, mobility, and recovery. And remember, seeds aren't magic, but they remain one of the most powerful natural tools we have for long-term strength and health. To recap, chia supports bones, hydration, and inflammation. Flax balances hormones and protects bone tissue. Sesame delivers essential bone minerals. Pumpkin aids muscle function and energy. Sunflower and hemp reduce inflammation. And add clean protein. Add them to your daily meals, and your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, like this video and hit subscribe for more simple health tips backed by nature. Let us know in the comments which of these seeds are already in your kitchen. Take care, stay strong, and fuel your bones from the inside out.